Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you the book back answer in science for third standard. That is Unit 2, Animal Life. This is Term 3 portion. Unit 1, already we have completed the lesson, children. Book back answer is given. Now, this is Unit 2 for you all. So, those who are having the book can take page number 90 and you can write in your classwork also, children, okay? Choose the correct answer. First one. Mosquito sucks its food. Mosquito sucks its food. Which of the animals given below suck their food? So this is a question, children. So three options given: cockroach, B, parrot, and C, butterfly. So what will be the correct answer, children? So what's the question? A mosquito sucks the food. Which of the animals given below suck their food? So three options: cockroach, parrot, and butterfly. So the correct answer is butterfly. Okay, children. Now the second one. Bear sometimes eats pumpkin, and sometimes eats fish. So it is an dash they have given. So the options are three, that is carnivore, B, omnivore, C, herbivore. So what will be the answer? Yes, the correct answer is omnivore. So you can write the answer in this dash, omnivore. Okay? You understand, children? The next, third, a bird that has beak, which helps it to crack open shells and eat the seed inside is. So what's the question? A bird that has beak, which helps it to crack open shells and eat the seeds inside is. Three options: A, sparrow, B, owl, C, kingfisher. So the answer is A, sparrow. Okay, children. Now next, fourth one. Flesh-eating animals flesh-eating animals have well-developed dash. So options, there are three options I have given: molars, tusks and canines. Molars, tusks and C, canines. So the correct answer is canines. Okay, so you write the answer in this dash as canines. Okay children, now next is fifth one. Elephant is a dash. So the options: herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. A, herbivore. B, carnivore. C, omnivore. So the answer is herbivore. Okay, now the sixth one. Choose the carnivore they have given. So choose the carnivore. Three options they have given. We'll see which is the carnivore there. Okay, choose the carnivore. Options. What are the options here? Deer, lion and giraffe. Deer, lion, giraffe. So answer is lion. So lion is a carnivore, right? Then 7. In a food chain, a dash can be placed. Okay, a dash can be placed immediately before a snake. So options are given there. What are the options? Eagle, frog and grass. So answer is frog. Okay. 8th one. Select the animal that has similar eating habit like a deer. So questions: A, camel. B, deer. C, hen. So what will be the answer? Yes, hen. Okay. Now 8 we have completed. 2 more choose is there. So I will take it down. It's in your classwork, children. They all have your classwork. Take out your classwork. Start writing this. Okay. So all this will come for your exam. So take down in your classwork neatly without making any spelling mistakes. Okay. So 2 more is there. I will take down in this in your notebook, children. Ninth one. Find the odd one based on the habitat. Options A, deer, B, fish, and C, fox. So what will be the answer? Yes, fish. Next, which of the following has different eating habits compared to the others? So the options are given: elephant, cow, and C, dog. So the answer is dog. Okay, children. So choose the correct answer is over now. Next, we'll go to fill in the blanks. Okay, children. So we have finished the choose now. Okay. Next, we are going to go to fill in the blanks. So this fourth one, flesh-eating animals have well developed. Answer is canines. Elephant is a herbivore. Then choose a carnivore they have given. So the answer is lion. In a food chain, a dash can be placed immediately before a snake. So what will be the answer? Frog. Select the animal that has similar eating habit like a bear. Answer is hen. Then find the odd one based on the habitat. Answer is fish. Which of the following has different eating habits compared to the others? Answer is dog. Now next we'll go to the fill in the blanks. First one, a small habitat is a dash. Now options in the bracket they are given: forest, leaf. So what will be the correct answer? Leaf. Okay. This is your first. Second, butterflies suck dash, that is nectar. Answer, from flowers. So in the options they have given nectar, water. So the correct answer is nectar. So butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Chiselbeak is present in dash, woodpecker. Answer is woodpecker. Okay, two options given: sparrow, woodpecker. So the answer is woodpecker. Chiselbeak is present in woodpecker. Then the parrot eats dash, nuts is the answer. They have given two options: rats and nuts. So what will be the correct answer? Nuts. A food chain always begins with dash, that is plants. Okay, plants, animals, two options given. So that is plants. Okay, children. So first we'll see, a small habitat is a leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf is the answer. Small habitat is a leaf. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. N-E-C-T-A-R, nectar from flowers. Chiselbeak is present in woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. A chiselbeak is present in woodpecker. The parrot eats nuts. N-U-T-S, nuts. A food chain always begins with plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. So once again I'll read, children. So you can read along with me. So when I am reading, you can read along with me, children. So it will be easy for you to learn. Okay. A small habitat is a leaf. A small habitat is a leaf. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Chiselbeak is present in woodpecker. Chiselbeak is present in woodpecker. The parrot eats nuts. Parrot eats nuts. A food chain always begins with plants. A food chain always begins with plants. Okay, children. So we have finished choose and fill up. And you have answered the following questions. They have 8 questions there. So in the next class, I'll give this. Okay, children. Thank you.